Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can send threads and posts via direct messages to your contacts on Bluesky. So let us get started. Open Bluesky on your Android, for instance, or on your iOS. And what you want to do after that is access your profile by tapping on that profile icon in the bottom right corner of your home screen. And here you want to head over to posts here on the left side to access the list of published posts by you here in Bluesky. So if you'd like to send your own post to a contact of yours on Bluesky, simply select the given post, tap on these three dots here and choose send via direct message from that drop down menu. After that, search for the contact here you'd like to send the given post to and confirm that. Alternately, guys, you may do the same with any other thread here on Bluesky. So let me head over to the home screen. And here simply select the post you would like to send as a direct message, like that one here. Tap on these three dots below the post and again select send via direct message and repeat the previous steps, and that's all to it, guys. As you can see, super simple. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.